Magkano na ba ang 10,000 pesos mo ngayon if nag-invest ka sa shares of stocks ni Jollibee 4 years ago? 4 years ago, ang stock price ni Jollibee was just 90 pesos per share. And as of today, it is already 230 pesos per share. That is a total of 157% interest for the past 4 years. Or 39.25 interest every year. Kapatid, one of the best way to grow your money is to become a shareholder sa mga malalaking companies tulad ni Jollibee. Madadamay ka kasi sa success ng company and magkakaroon ka ng hati sa profit na kinikita ng company through dividend. The best part, makakapag-umpisa kang mag-invest sa shares of stocks ng mga malalaking companies tulad ni Jollibee for as low as 1,000 pesos. Gusto mo bang matuto paano bumili ng shares of stocks kay Jollibee? Just comment down below Jollibee and I will send you the details. See you on my next video.